Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jude Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react the official music video of BGYO with their new song entitled Fresh. So they just dropped this music video a day ago, so I'm really excited. Hello Aces! So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm excited for this one, guys, because it's been a while also since the last time I reacted to BGYO, and I think the last time I reacted is like the song entitled Aloe Vera. So i-check natin, guys. BGYO Arcade Fresh. Skip ad. Ooh, cool. Sino to? Mickey? Oh, grabe ang dating, oh. Ang outfit. Ooh, ganda ng outfit nila, ah. Ooh. Hip-hop na hip-hop ang dating nila, ah. Swaging dalawa, ah. Forte ni Mickey. Rap. Ang pogi talaga nila sila talagang lima. Ooh, Nick. Ang cool. Ang cool nila. Iba na naman dyan nila, oh. Hip-hop. Aki. Wow, guys. Itong gusto ko sa BGYO, guys, kasi nag-ano sila ba, reinventing sa ano nila, mga genre, kasi ano sila yung ito na naman yung parang BGYO on their hip-hop era, kasi mostly sa mga song nila is like mga R&B or mga ano talaga, mga mabilis, then meron din sa mga slow song. So it's kung ano, parang it's really good na nag-ano sila yung mga reinvention ba na ano, iba-ibang genre ang inano nila, kinakanta. So ito yung nakaganda. Ang ganda ng outfit nila, ang ganda ng song, parang makasabay ka talaga sa groove. So ang ganda talaga, ang nai-enjoy ko. Plus look at face card talaga. Di mo talaga maitanggi na BGYO, isa sila sa talaga sa mga P-pop na may mga hitsura. Ooh, Jello. Ooh, JL. Ang cool nila tingnan sa fresh. Fresh talaga ang mukha nila, eh. Parang iksi. Oh, si Mickey ang sumulat ng kantang to. Kaya talaga parang iba-iba talagang dating ni Mickey sa kanta na to, eh. Parang sa kanya talaga, eh. Oh, marami pa silang ano. Susunod siguro to ng mga kanta nila. Wow. Excited. Ano kaya to? Ito, Forever Tonight, Sinta. Ano? May... ito siguro yung mga upcoming nila song. So, nakaka-excite. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the official music video of BGYO with their new song entitled Fresh. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.